Hello. Today I have the honor and privilege to introduce to you and interview Hiroshi Nishikawa, the Senior Director, Communication Strategy Division, Technology Strategy Unit of Fujitsu. I'd like to briefly comment on the purpose that Hiroshi has shared with me of Fujitsu, which is to make the world more sustainable by building trust in society through innovation.
Yes.
These are very important topics here at the Global Peter Drucker Forum in Vienna, and thank you for coming all the way from Tokyo to meet with us today.
My pleasure.
The theme today for our forum is creative resilience.
Yes.
And I see these keywords in the Fujitsu technology and service vision. Can you explain this vision and how you define creativity and resilience, please?
Thank you very much, and good morning. I'm very glad to be joining this interview today. I'm very glad and honored to have an interview with you, Rebecca.
Thank you.
And as you introduced kindly, I'm in charge of creating and promoting our vision for the future, called this Fujitsu Technology Service Vision. This is kind of our vision paper introducing what kind of future we want to create and how technology enables such a future, as well as what kind of action we need to take together with our customers and partners. In this Fujitsu Technology Service Vision, we introduce kind of 5 key megatrends backed by 5 technologies. One is amplifying creativity by AI. Second, inclusion by network. Innovation by computing. Resilience by data twin technologies. And trust by security technologies. In terms of this theme of creativity and resilience, we really think AI helps us be creative, more productive. At the same time, resilience, by collecting data, we can somewhat prepare for the future. So by combining these two, AI and data, we are well prepared for the future. So this is the idea how technology create better future, creative resilience.
Thank you. I'm heartened to note that Fujitsu communicates a clear focus on responsible AI that is human-centric, ethical, and accountable, as well as able to drive business forward and societies forward. In this year, 2023, with the rapid arrival of generative AI and related apps, how is Fujitsu responding to this major digital shift in the implementation of your strategy and approach? And I'm particularly interested in the concepts of distributed trust and the transparency of the process.
Okay. So probably everyone, when I talked with our customers, happen to be talk about generative AI, conversational AI now. So technology really advanced rapidly. We need to catch up. And Fujitsu itself really try to catch up by implementing 3 key initiatives. Number one, we develop large language model by ourselves. So you know Fujitsu is creating supercomputer called Fugaku. So we are working together with Riken and Tohoku University and Tokyo Institute of Technology to develop Japanese large language model, which allow researchers to develop Japanese large language model. This is number one. Number 2 is, as you say, we really want to make AI trusted. So now, even though ChatGPT deliver answer, but sometimes they make mistakes. This cannot be used by mission-critical application like healthcare. We really need to make AI trusted. So we invest in a technology called Graph AI to show the cause and effect relationship between answer delivered by AI to make this reliable, trusted. That's number 2. And number 3 is we really want to democratize AI, make AI openly used by anyone. So this part, we develop AI platform to be used by anyone who don't have any specific knowledge of artificial intelligence. These 3 are initiatives we are taking.
Okay, let's take it to something specific. You've also made quite a bit of progress with healthcare solutions. Could you comment on one?
Yeah, so currently this area we focusing on to solving complex challenges in healthcare by using AI. We implement very trusted AI technologies. Let me give you 2 examples. One is, as I introduced, we make AI trusted. For this part, we are working with IT Cancer Center. So each patient has different type of cancer. So we identify specific kind of characteristic of cancer, identify by monitoring, analyzing huge database, and deliver better medication treatment to each patient. This is one we are doing. The second is now we see some physicians takes time to analyze hundreds of CT scan image or MRI images. This really takes time and huge workload to physicians and doctors. For this, we introduce kind of image recognition technology to help them to identify brain tumor in a short period of time. This really reduces workload as well as time for us to identify this brain tumor. So this is a work done not in Austria, but in Australia with Macquarie University.
Okay.
And you may check our website and you see the news. Yesterday, we introduced a new partnership with this Macquarie University to really develop digital coaching technology, which applied in manufacturing, retail, as well as healthcare.
Very interesting, and we're all very lucky that you're doing this.
Thank you.
I want to go into two areas that get a lot of press right now. One of them is bad actors.
Bad actors.
And we see generative adversarial networks. We see terrible things happening with hallucinations and creating a plausible information, but it's not true. Can you talk to us about some specific AI tools
AI
Fujitsu
tools?
is responding with to bad actors?
So again, maybe you can check our website, seeing what kind of activity we are doing. So one technology we are developing is like identify hallucination. Maybe you know the word of hallucination.
Yes.
So generative AI deliver some not so correct answers with proud.
Yes.
But we can develop technology to really identify where this is a hallucination or not. For example, like Fujitsu is founded in 1935. So these are kind of subject, verb, and pronouns. So this type of each keyword we identify, for example, like year of foundation, like 1935. So this technology really check if this is correct or not by surfing any information about foundation of Fujitsu, and if this AI technology can find like multiple sources of information Fujitsu is found in 1935. So this really deliver this is very light information instead of hallucination. So we introduce this technology now, as well as we identify this URL is malicious or not. Like we identify phishing site by using similar technologies. So these are kind of working for us to generate AI to be trusted.
Okay, okay. I think one of the areas of amazing creative resilience that Fujitsu is creating is where team skills can be augmented through, uses of no-code AI. And you've invented
No-code
something
AI.
called Kozuchi.
Yes.
So allow two teams to work together that have no additional training in the skills, but the tool helps them. Can you talk about this a little bit?
Yes, so we introduced some 3 initiatives. Third one is really want to democratize AI technologies, as well as we really want to make AI to be used by anyone. That's the reason why we introduced Kozuchi platform. This consists of 2 kind of key components. One is kind of AI innovation component, which really allow anyone to use in a specific use cases, for example, manufacturing, retail, or finance industry. For example, if you want to train factory workers by monitoring their actions, activities, AI analyzes the activities of each factory workers and give some advice. As I introduced, like we develop digital coaching. So this is one of digital coaching. So specific industry, we deliver specific services based on this AI innovation component. The other is AI core engines. We have many AI technology, for example, machine learning, generative AI, AI ethics. Depending on the needs of our customers, we pick which one is needed and design combine this technology to deliver to specific needs of the customers. So this is one element of AI core engine. By having these 2, we deliver AI with ease of use.
Excellent. So now I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what Fujitsu is doing to help different generations.
Different generations?
There are a couple of examples. We know that we have the largest aging population in the world ever in history. So could you comment a little bit about what you're doing for the aging population, and maybe you have some other generational things you're doing?
So for aging population, probably many people see Japan is kind of aging society with declining population. We really need to protect kind of living standard of the elderly people, especially in the suburban areas. So some people already giving up like driver's licenses and stop driving, but they really need to buy some stuff as well as take medication to visit hospitals. So we really need to deliver mobility service to them. That's the reason why we are investing, for example, ride-sharing technologies or autonomous driving, working together with the public sector to protect living standard of suburban areas. But at the same time, when many people visit like Japan, visit like Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, Nagoya, which are fully packed with, like, for example, Tokyo, 30 million residents, and there are many young families with kids, but they have a difficulty to find out nursery school to bring their kids to these areas as schools. So we really see long queues of young mothers and kids waiting to be in to the nursery school. This part, we are working with public sector to develop kind of AI matching solution to identify nursery school and kids right one in an instantly way, which really reduce the workload time for public sector, as well as help young mothers to back to work as quickly as possible. So this is one element we are working to really support elderly generation and younger generation.
This is extraordinary. I wish we had more time today because it's an extraordinary set of strategies at Fujitsu.
Yeah,
so I
will
encourage
continue to
everyone.
talk.
I encourage everyone to go to the website and learn. And thank you, Hiroshi, for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
And good luck, because sustainability and trust are very big words that we want you to make progress with.
Yeah, we
Thank
really
you.
want to make our business society sustainable. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.